What's going on, guys? Right now I have a 800 horsepower Supra and we're about to do some behind the scenes shooting and just break it down how I get the shots that I get.
Nah, but like look at the glare.
The glare?
As you like move to the
Oh, okay, I see. Damn, that glare. Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah.
I could zoom it in though. I think if I zoom in it'll look better. Damn, this shot right here looks sick. So I always try to expose for the sky, because you can always bring the shadows up, but what you can't bring back is the highlights. You know, there's like AI denoise features and whatnot, but what you cannot bring back is overexposed highlights. So just do a backing up shot like this, and you can either reverse it. Yeah, that's a sick shot. I'll go over here, put it a little bit more zoomed in. Oh, that's a beautiful shot. Like this, and then you just pan to the side. What's crazy about this car is that I actually drove it when he first got it, when it was in stock. And now it has 800 horsepower, and it feels crazy. It's too much horsepower, bro. I'll put some clips of us doing pulls and flybys so you guys see how fast this thing really is. Bro, the sun's just hitting it perfectly right now. Oh wait, that wasn't smooth. Don't be afraid to retake your shots, because if they're not smooth, they're gonna be a pain to stabilize. I need to get a front shot. A front shot just backing up with like no background, just straight trees and grass, is so majestic.
You ain't post this yet? That shit's fine.
Bro, I feel like I'm about to fucking fall. Hold on. Because if you frighten me, I might just fall and break my neck.
No, but what I'm thinking is you need to get a shot too. I'm gonna lean on the side of the car, on the hood, facing that
Oh
way.
yeah. Do it. Or you know what you could do? You could like lean forward on the hood like this.
Nah.
Damn, that's sick. Wait. Alright, let's do a shot where you're like on the side of the car. So like go to the side of the car to the back. And then you walk up and lean to the front, if that makes sense. Go ahead. That's a fire shot. Yeah. My camera's about to die. I need to change my batteries. Alright, let me do that now.
We got 20 minutes.
Alright, so right now, sun's going down really fast. So I gotta lock in,
15 minutes.
I gotta lock in, get the shots I need, and then I gotta do the pictures. Pictures are so easy, they don't take long at all. Alright, let me just lock in, alright? What the? Yo, you did not just see that. I'm over here running it over my own foot. Alright, that's perfect. Now, I'm gonna have you take the pictures. Actually, here, lean in front of your car right here.
Like on it?
Yeah. Kind of like how you were, but on the other side. Yeah, that's sick. Alright. Pictures.
You need me to move up?
Nah. Oh yeah, move a little bit up. Just a little bit. Right there's good. Huh? Yeah. Now we're switching to pictures. Oh, I love doing pictures so much more. It's a sick shot. Let me do the hood. I love this angle on the car. I'm gonna do some horizontals just because of collages that I do. I feel like it looks so good with the collages. Alright, now do the same thing. I'm gonna take that picture that you were talking about. Like when you were leaning over there, facing that way. I just was doing videos, that's why. Yeah, right there. Oh hell no, I hear some shit moving. I'm getting the fuck out of there. Hell no. I don't do that shit. Here, hide real quick. Hide under the car. You want a picture like that? Do it. I could just Photoshop you out. Damn. Damn. So, when it comes to a shoot like this, where you gotta do, you know, cinematics and or reel. So when it comes to a shoot like this where you gotta do pictures and a reel, you gotta do all of it really quick. You cannot stop moving. You gotta basically have all your shots planned out already, so you could just get them knocked out real quick. If you don't know what shots you're going to take, your shots are going to, first of all, take forever, and you're gonna waste time and you're gonna waste the sunlight. If you're, you know, if you do a lot of car shoots or even just people shoot, you know how valuable that sun is. And look, right now, it's basically gone. It's basically done for. Like, the sun is basically out of here, so you got to really utilize the sun and make sure that you have all your shoots planned out specifically on the sun's timing more than anybody else's timing. And there's different ways that you can stimulate that lighting in Lightroom or even Photoshop, but it's just not the same. Look, it's gone, and all there is just that purple line. It looks crazy, huh? It looks like a little like purple like fog going around the whole thing.
Yeah, word.
I like it though. All right, low key.
All good?
Sun's out. The sun's gone. But wait, let me get a picture of you getting in your car. So like, do that whole thing again. I'm a spam shutter. Okay, sorry, go. That shit looks good. He has to back up to pick me up. And that's it, guys. You just watched a whole photo shoot and video shoot of a 800 horsepower Toyota Supra. This thing is absolutely sick. Here, give it a little rev. Oh my gosh. Bro, my ears. There you go, guys. Beautiful car, beautiful photo shoot, video shoot, turned out sick. The sun was really quick, barely gave us any time, but we got everything done, and you guys will see the footage, everything. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys enjoyed it, drop a sub and a like and comment your favorite shot and what car should I do next. All right, guys, make sure you follow my Instagram as well. We out. That was good. Very good, bro.